Hello there, and welcome back to Meaningful Moments with May. And I am Mai Calev. And this is a space where we get to pause, breathe, and come back to what truly matters. Today, we're exploring a topic that touches many, nearly everyone: success. And more importantly, how we can redefine it. Because in a world that tells us success is about doing more, achieving faster, and constantly striving, it's easy to lose sight of what truly makes life meaningful. In this episode, we'll talk about how to redefine success, not by how much we achieve, but by how aligned, balanced, and fulfilled we feel. Let's kick this episode off with the discussion about the traditional definition of success. For many of us, success was defined early by our grades, titles we've received, our income levels, or recognition. And that's what society celebrates: external achievements, visible progress, constant momentum. And while those things can all be beautiful, they're only part of the picture. Because true success isn't about how much you have. It's about how you feel as you move through your life. If your achievements come at the cost of peace, joy, or connection, is that really success? So how do you shift towards alignment? Real success begins when you start living by your own definition, not the world's definition. It's the feeling of waking up aligned with your values, of knowing you're living in integrity with what matters to you the most. Balance is not the opposite of ambition. Balance is what gives your ambition meaning. So when your energy, purpose, and well-being work together symbiotically, success becomes sustainable and deeply satisfying. So here are 3 gentle questions to help you reframe success. Question number 1: what does success feel like? Not just look like for me. Focus on the emotions you want to live in: peace, joy, freedom, purpose. Question number 2: am I creating from alignment or from pressure? If your actions drain you, it's time to pause and realign with your why. And then question number 3: what does balance mean to me right now? You see, balance shifts with each season of life. So let yourself evolve. Success can look different today than it did yesterday, and it can look different from tomorrow. It takes courage to walk away from the definition that no longer fits you or serves you. But each time you choose balance over burnout and presence over pressure, you're rewriting what success means, not just for yourself, but for others watching you. Your peace can be your new measure of success. Your alignment can be your new ambition, and your joy can be your new North Star. Let's take a deep, grounding breath here for a moment. So think about your current goals or priorities and ask yourself, who decided this was success for me? My soul or society? If it doesn't feel like your definition, it's okay to rewrite it. You're allowed to change the story. It's your story after all. To make success softer, slower, and more aligned with your truth. Success isn't a finish line. It's a feeling. It's the quiet knowing that you're living in alignment with who you are and what you value. When you live with balance, success stops being something you chase and it becomes something you embody. So today, give yourself permission to define success on your own terms. Let it feel peaceful, purposeful, and true. Because balance isn't the absence of ambition, it's the presence of wholeness. So thank you for sharing this meaningful moment with me today. And if this episode touched you, please share it with someone who's learning to redefine success in their own way. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, because it not only helps me, but it helps others find this information, these meaningful moments. Until next time, stay balanced, stay grounded, and keep choosing what truly matters. Bye for now.